it's Panta and Candy here. Currently, the coronavirus is causing a pandemic. Many countries and regions are requiring people to self-quarantine. During this epidemic, you need to take your temperature daily, wear a mask when you are outside, and wash your hands before touching your eyes and eating. Hope you and your family are safe and healthy during this hard time.
Alright, let's get started. Our company is Guangzhou Sunchonglic Electric Appliance Component Company. It's located in Guangzhou, Guangdong Province. Sunchonglic Power Factory is dealing with AGM gel battery charger, solar charge controller, high and low hyper solar inverter, and all kinds of home appliance accessories. If you want to know more about our company, you can Google Sunchonglic and get to know it.
Me and Candy will introduce two solar hybrid inverters from our factory. The first model is FPS model with 1 kVA, 3 kVA, and 5 kVA. And the second model is FMPS with 1 kVA, 3 kVA, and 5 kVA. And this is an image of these two models. On the left side is FPS and on the right side is FMPS. And here is a connect diagram of hybrid power system. First, we need to connect the battery and the solar inverter first. And then we connect solar panel and generator or utility grid to the inverter. And then finally, we have our AC loads, for example, rice cookers, washing machine, and laptops. Let's welcome Candy.
Okay, Candy will introduce some features for these models. Number 1, the output waveform is pure sine wave. Number 2, the rated power are 800 watt, 2400 watt, and 4000 watt. The number 3, the input DC voltage are 12 volt, 24 volt, and 48 volt. Number 4, the output AC voltage is 230 volt. Number 5, the output frequency are 50 Hz and 60 Hz. Number 6, selectable AC input voltage are 170 volt to 280 volt and 90 volt to 280 volt. Number 7, these two models can cool smart functions. Number 8, the AC and solar input priority can be manually configured. The number 9, computable to AC means input and generator voltage input. Number 10, the equipped with solar charger, controller to maximum and regulate DC power from the solar array from charging the battery bank. Number 11, fire protection to ensure the safe, including charge over voltage, charging flow, overclock, low short circuit, under voltage protection. Number 12, Transformerless design provides reliable power conversion in capacitance. And number 13, intelligent UPS, automatic recovery. Number 14, parallel operation with up to 6 units applicable for model 5 kVA. Number 15, the PV input operating voltage. FPS series 12 volt PWM system is 55 volt. 24 volt PWM system is 80 volt. 48 volt PWM system is 105 volt. And the FPS series 12 volt MPPT system is 70 volt to 80 volt. 24 volt MPPT system is 30 volt to 80 volt. 48 volt MPPT system is 60 volt to 115 volt. Okay, we can see the power picture for the connect. This is for the 1 kVA and 3 kVA. Here is the AC input. Here is the AC output. And this for the connect the computer. This for the PV input connect. And this for the DC connector input. This is for our power switch. And this one is for the 5 kVA size. Same the 1 kVA and 3 kVA. We can see the display screen and interface description. Number 1, LCD display. Number 2, status indicator. Number 3, charging indicator. Number 4, fall indicator. Number 5, function button. Number 6, on and the off switch. Number 7, the AC input. Number 8, the AC output. Number 9, the PV input. Number 10, the battery input. Number 11, circuit breaker. Number 12, RS232 communication port. Number 13, parallel communication cable. This only for the parallel model. Number 14, collection cable. This only for the parallel models. Number 15, joint contact. Okay, this is for our products inside the PCB board. We can see the inside have many the parts. Here is for 2 cooling fan, and we use all is the original the IC, and this is for our packings for our products. Okay, let's welcome Porta back.
What is the difference between FPS and FMPS model? First, FPS model comes with a 50 ampere PWM solar controller, and FMPS comes with a MPPT solar controller with choices of 25 amperes, 30 amperes, 50 amperes, and 60 amperes. Why you choose FPS model? First, PWM controller, charging method are constant current mode, constant voltage mode, and floating charge mode. They can effectively solve the problems like the battery is not fully charged or extending the use life of battery. And the most important is that PWM controller is more cheaper. But in this whole hybrid solar system, the solar panels are not fully utilized. Why you choose FMPS series model? MPPT controller charging method are constant current mode, which is MPPT, constant voltage mode, and floating charge mode. MPPT represents maximum power point tracking, which means it measures the voltage and current of solar panels and checks the maximum power to charge the battery. In this system, the solar panels are fully utilized, but MPPT controller is more expensive. How to apply a solar hybrid inverter in a hybrid power system? Let's check this video. After our introduction of these two models, you must be curious of our factory. Let's see some videos of our factory.
Here we come to Q&A session. We call some common questions from customers. For example, what is your payment term of a sample order?
We accept TT and Visa, and you can also pay by Alibaba.
What are the price terms you can offer to us?
We offer X-World Guangzhou, FOB Guangzhou, and CNF.
Where is your main market for your products?
Most of our products are exported to Southeast Asia, Africa, and Middle East.
May I visit your factory when I go to China?
Of course you can, we appreciate that.
If I want to build a solar home system, which models is the most suitable?
You can choose FMPS 5K 48 watt with a 60 MPPT controller. We recommend you to set up this solar home system with total 16 pieces of 12 watt 100 ampere hour battery. So you will need 4 pieces of battery in one series, and you will need 4 groups of them in parallel. For the solar panels, you will need 10 pieces of 36 watt 300 watts in this system, 2 pieces of solar panels in one series, and you will need 5 of them to be in parallel.
Okay. What size of wires do I need to use when I connect a battery and an inverter?
You will need a diameter of 16 square millimeter wires to connect a battery with an inverter.